In this video, I want to share with you my goals for 2026 for merch on demand, Etsy, Skool, and Adobe stock. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print on demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand, Etsy, and Adobe stock. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you my goals for all those platforms, just want to do a quick sales update, not from yesterday, but actually for the year, since today's the last day of the year, December 31st. I figured I would share with you my stats for the year for merch on demand and for Etsy. So here we are on my dashboard year to date, and we're going to see for the year, I actually ended up doing 13,000 sales and $28,000 in royalties, which is actually $1,000 more than I did last year. So that's nice to see that I increased my sales from last year. Now, if we go to Etsy, here's what I ended up doing for the year for Etsy. So 34,000 in revenue and 2,100 orders. Now, this is actually down 18% from last year. So right here, we're going to see, down 20%. Basically, I just did not have the same summer or Q3 as last year. It's basically pretty much all the same, but you're going to see the summer, there's just like a big gap, especially in this month right here in August, but Q4 is pretty much the same. So there was a big dip, but I'm not really stressing or tripping too much about it, because my profit, even though the revenue is down, I think the profit is pretty much the same because I don't do free shipping anymore and I stopped running ads. And I'm also selling a whole bunch of digital downloads, PNG files, which gives you like 90% of the revenue that you get. So no big deal there. Profit, I think, is pretty much the same, but those are my stats for the year for both merch on demand and for Etsy. Let's show Adobe stock, because I've actually been kind of kicking butt lately in Adobe stock. So right here, we're going to see for the year, 81 downloads, $51 in earnings. Just started in October, and this week is just starting, or this month is starting to take off. So you can see here, I wish when I would hover over it, it would show, because I have to like do the graph thing. But so right here, I don't know, what is that, like, I don't know, $6 or something, but it's just going up, and then it goes by the week. These blue bars are by the week. And so like last week I did, I don't know, $8, and today it's Monday, the 6 a.m. in the morning it's Wednesday, and it's 6 a.m. on a Wednesday, and I just already have a whole bunch of sales for the week, and we're not even halfway through the week. So this is pretty good. I've had the last 2 really good days with Adobe stock, so good to see that. And then if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. I'm also documenting my journey on trying to make $10,000 a month with print on demand by the end of 2026. So if you want to follow me on my journey here, you can click the link in the description, where I post these reels, giving you some tips and tricks. Link for that is in the description, so check it out. All right, so now let's go ahead and get into the content of this video, where I share with you my goals for 2026. And before I share with you my goals, just want to mention a couple things, like, your goals for 2026, they don't just have to be for money, they can be for your physique, health. They can also be for like relationships or things that you want to learn. Me, I'm pretty satisfied with my health and fitness right now. I'm also pretty satisfied with my relationships. There are a couple things that I do want to learn, but for me, since I'm a family man, father, husband, leader of a family, my main focus is basically, providing and making money. So that's why my focus or my goals are mainly financially, at least for this year. But, the point I'm just trying to make here is, they don't have to be for money, basically. And then another thing also, like when it comes to goals, the thing I like to do, I just don't want to be like, oh, I want to make like $5,000 a month with merch. I mean, I want to have a goal like that, but I want to make sure that I have some type of like action plan behind it. Like, how do I actually plan on making that $5,000 a month with merch? Then also have a deadline, so that's something that's kind of pushing me. And also have someone or something to hold me accountable. All right. So those are like the 3 kind of things I like to do when I'm setting up my goals. Let's jump on over to Instagram, where I just actually posted my goals. So here they are right here. And I actually got this goal planner on Etsy. So just type in goal planner. I think they're only like $1 or $1.50. And then I had Office Max print them out for me. And I'm going to go ahead and put these on my wall. But here we go. So the first goal that I have is to make $5,000 a month on merch on demand. Now, if you've been following me on this channel, I've had this goal now for 3 years. In 2024, I made $3,000. In 2025, this year, I got to $3,500. So I didn't hit my goal for this year, but I got close. And so I'm trying again, hopefully third time is a charm. But so that's my goal for Merch on Demand, to make $5,000 a month. And then my action steps right here. This is why I really like this goal planner, because I have the gold action steps and then the deadline. And so my action steps are to design and upload 300 designs a month. That's 10 designs a day. I definitely think I can do that. And also help my school members, because I have a school for Merch on Demand. It's right, where the heck is it? Right here. So here's my school community for print on demand merch sellers. So right here, you're going to see my action step is to help my school members increase their merch on demand sales, because I've just learned over the years that I've had on this earth that, when what I give is what I receive. So if I'm helping other people reach their merch on demand goals, that's going to help me reach my merch on demand goals. So that's the 2 action steps. And then my deadline is December 31st, 2026. So I have a year to do this. And then who is going to keep me accountable? It's going to be you guys, my subscribers, my YouTube subscribers, because I'm putting myself out to the world, to the internet. So, I'm not going to look like a total doofus if I don't, reach it. But, I just have someone or something that's kind of holding me accountable. All right, next one is going to be Etsy. So for Etsy, it's also to make $5,000 a month on Etsy. And for here, my action step is to design and upload 150 designs a month. Etsy, to upload designs on Etsy, the process takes a little longer. It's a lot easier to pump out a whole bunch of designs on merch than it is on Etsy, at least for me, because you have to upload the photos, the titles, the tags, just a little longer process. So that's why it's about half the amount. So that is my action step. And then the second action step is, again, to also help my school members increase their Etsy sales, because on my school community right here, it's for merch on demand sellers and for Etsy sellers as well. It's for both. All right. So those are my 2 action steps. And the deadline is December 31st, 2026. And honestly, I think I'm going to hit I think I'm going to hit this goal this year, because I've been using Everbee a lot lately. And if you don't have Everbee, I would highly recommend it. There's a link, affiliate link in the description for it. But I've just found some good niches and some PNG files, and I think I have a shot. So we'll see. Fingers crossed. Okay, next one is going to be for Skool, because I'm actually really liking Skool. I think there's a huge opportunity here. So the goal is to make $5,000 a month on Skool. Currently, I'm making about $1,000 a month with my Skool community. I did just open up another Skool community, which is this one for stock images for Adobe stock, where I give prompts like this. So if you want, you can sign up. It's for free right now. I'll keep it free. I will offer a paid tier in the future where instead of getting like 1 prompt, you'll get like 3 or 4 or something like that. So, I have to get like a good amount of members, around like 200 or 300. But if you, in my Skool community, you've seen that I've really just been like, putting in a lot of work. I kind of, when I started Skool, I was really into it, but then over the summer, I kind of got a little frustrated and I wasn't really active as much, but now I'm just locked in. You guys have seen me pumping out the videos, posting, commenting, liking everything. I've been very active. If you go to my Skool profile, you can actually see like how active someone is right here by the little green. So you can see here, very active, not so much, especially in November, but December really been putting in the work. And then if you're active like this, Skool actually gives you this little fire emoji. So 30-day streak of 10 activities per day. So that's how you can tell that I've been really on it. So those are my goals for Skool. Or that is my goal for Skool, to make $5,000 a month. And my action step is to upload 3 YouTube videos a week and to post daily. And the deadline for that is also December 31st, 2026. And then the next one is going to be for Adobe stock. So here I want to make $1,000 a month on Adobe stock. You might be saying, well, if you want to make $5,000 a month on all those other platforms, why is it only $1,000? Well, it's just, I think it's kind of, I could be wrong here. Maybe I'm still just a newbie with Adobe stock, but it just seems like it's a little harder to make, thousands and thousands of dollars with Adobe stock. Because basically you're getting paid like 33 cents a download, just depending on what membership the person has with Adobe stock. It's either 33 cents or $1, at least from my research. So that's my goal for Adobe stock, make $1,000 a month. And my action step is to design and upload, again, 150 images a month, similar to Etsy. That's about 5 a day. That's kind of like what I've been doing. And also help my Skool members increase their Adobe stock sales. And the deadline for that is also December 31st, 2026. So those are my goals for both for merch on demand, Etsy, Skool, and Adobe stock. what do you guys think? I posted the other day in my Skool community here about goals. Let's see where I can find it. Maybe if I go to newest, just kind of reminding people, to get your goals up. So here's the post right here. So time to start playing your 2026 print on demand goals. Give you some tips right here. Just make sure you get your goals up. I'm going to go ahead and put these goals on my wall here. But yeah, so let me know, what are your goals for 2026? If you want to join my Skool communities, the links are going to be in the description. This one is for print on demand. You get prompts and niches every day. And then for this one right here, this one is free, and you also get one prompt every day for Adobe stock. All right, so that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.